It is time for another workout session that's going to keep that body guessing. What's going on, Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon, your fitness coach, here with another workout that's going to get you where you want to be quick and effectively. Before we get started, make sure you make your way over to my Instagram. I am trying to get to 10,000 followers. On my Instagram page, I'm going to be posting new tips and tricks that's going to help you get where you need to be. The Fitspiration is real on this YouTube channel, so make sure you keep on helping me sip on that positivity by posting your comments down in the description below. Full body workouts are an excellent way to burn the most fat because you're going to be encompassing the three major muscle groups, the legs, back, and also the chest. These are the heavy hitters for weight loss. And those heavy hitters are going to help you lean out given the fact that you are eating a balanced diet and also staying hydrated and getting plenty of sleep. We are going to go through 8 different exercises, and each exercise is going to last 30 seconds. We can all do something for 30 seconds, so you're going to have 20 seconds to break. Make sure you have some water available. We have 4 rounds of this, so let's get started. All right, make sure you have a mat if you need it. Bring your water. We are going to start this day out with a hinge and squat pulse. All you're going to do is hinge at the hips and then squat 2 times. Bring yourself back up to that start position. Feet a little bit more than double shoulder width apart. Let's go. You're halfway there. Don't pull on the back of your head. Your hands are just resting there. Keep the core tight the whole entire time. 5 seconds left. 2, 1, and break. Next, we're going to have a squat, push to row. All right, your feet going to be a little bit more than shoulder width apart. You're going to squat back down to your hips, keep yourself in a plank position, and then coming down to a push-up, and then coming up with a row on each arm. Suck in that belly button, squeeze those glutes. Let's get ready to go in 3, 2, 1, start. You're at the halfway point. Get that rhythm going there. Make sure you breathe throughout this whole entire workout. If you feel like you're getting a little bit tired, come down to your knees. 3, 2, 1. Take that break. We are going to do an alternating lateral lunge, all right? Your feet are going to be double shoulder width apart. Make sure your feet are facing forward. Keep your chest up high. You're going to lunge from one side to the next. Keep your knee behind the biggest toe and bring those glutes out as far as possible. 3, 2, 1, let's go. You are at the halfway point. Make sure you work those IT bands. If you're a runner, you're going to love this workout. Three, 2, 1. Go ahead and take a break. We have a plank jack to shoulder tap next. This is going to be a cardio intense workout right here. So make sure you have some stable ground. You're going to keep your body in a plank position, shoulders over your wrists. As you pull your legs apart, you're going to tap one shoulder to the next. Take your time if you need to. 2, 1, let's go. Halfway there. You are almost done with this particular workout. Remember, take your time if you need to. It doesn't have to go as fast as me, but once you get the rhythm, you got it going. 3, 2, 1, take a break. Lateral squat walk and jump. So you're gonna walk from one side to the next, take about 2 to 3 steps to the left, 2 to 3 steps to the right in a low plank position. Keep your knees behind the biggest toe, chest up high and looking over the horizon. Jump up into the air and come right back down to that squat position. 2, 1, let's go. I know your quads are on fire, but keep going. You have about 10 seconds left. There you go. Three, two, one. Go ahead and take a break. We have a low plank and reach next. All you're gonna do is keep your feet about 6 to 12 inches apart. Squeeze the glutes, suck that belly button in, and keep the shoulders right over the elbow. You're gonna reach forward in front of your head and grab for whatever you can. It looks like I'm reaching for my phone. 3, 2, 1, let's go. If you want to make this workout easier, put your shoulders right over your hands and come into a high plank position. Three, two, one, take a break. Now we have the plank jack tap with the push-up. Alright, so we're going to jack with our legs and then come into a push-up position, tapping on your shoulders too as well. Make sure you keep your shoulders over your wrists. Take your time with this workout. It can be a bit confusing, but I think you got this. 3, 2, 1, let's go. "15 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, take a break. We have the 3-count lunge shuffle next, okay? This workout is going to be really cardio intense too as well, and it's going to attack your legs, it's going to attack your core, and also your endurance as well. Do a 3 count on each side and then come to a low lunge. 3, 2, 1, let's go. "15 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Shake it out, drink some water, beat the heat. Great job, everyone. You have made it to the end of the video, but don't forget, you have 4 more rounds. So hit the refresh button and let's get started with this program all over again. If you want more videos like this, make sure you click in the top right-hand corner there. I have some more workout videos that's gonna keep that body guessing as well. Follow me on Instagram and I'll be posting there every single day with something new and exciting to help you out in your fitness journey. As always, subscribe to my channel and I'll flex with you on the next one. Peace.